Next up is Renee Rose. She's running for Los Angeles Superior Court Judge, state number 48. You're open to state 3 minutes.
Thank you. My name is Renee Rose. I am also running for office 48. I am a 33-year prosecutor. I began my career with the Riverside County District Attorney's Office in 1991, and in 1994 I came to Los Angeles County. I have worked in the hardcore gang division in Compton. I have been a meth lab prosecutor for the major narcotics division. I was one of 2 specially assigned prosecutors to the arson and explosives unit, and for the last 7.5 years, I've been the deputy in charge of the elder and dependent adult abuse unit. As a supervisor of that unit, I supervise a group of attorneys that go county-wide and prosecute the physical, financial, emotional, psychological abuse of seniors 65 years and older, as well as developmentally or physically disabled adults. I don't know if it would surprise you or not, but my defendants are primarily the adult children or grandchildren of my victims. And that is simply because no one else in the family will take them in when they have mental health issues, substance issues, and so they end up going back and living with their vulnerable parents. We understand in my unit that what the parents truly want is for these individuals to get help. They want them to deal with their mental health issues, their drug addiction issues, and so we often utilize these alternative sentencing courts, these veterans courts, women reentry courts, mental health, drug addiction courts, so that we can provide these defendants alternatives to living back at home with the victim. So that could include training, wraparound services. That is what the victims want in these types of cases. What I have to bring to the job of the judge is being in courtrooms throughout 2 counties and being in front of hundreds of judges. I have the litigation experience of both counties, seeing good judges, seeing bad judges, seeing efficient judges. What we need are judges that have empathy, that are thoughtful, that will listen and follow the law and learn the law, whatever discipline they put us in. I am married. I have 3 daughters. My husband works for the California Department of Justice. He runs a law enforcement deconfliction center. We have been volunteers throughout our community. I just came from my daughter's AYSO soccer game and refed a soccer game, which is why I was a little bit, I'm sorry? 15 seconds. I am endorsed by Supervisor Catherine Barger, by 50 sitting and retired Superior Court judges who have seen me do my work and believe that I am the better candidate for this position. So thank you so much. I think that's my buzzer.